Okay, I think we're live. Uh, okay, let me just refresh this. See if we're live. Are we live? Don't know. Schedule, no. That's why. Oh no. Oh, we are live. Interesting. Okay. Are we live? Okay. Okay, so we are live. I'm just looking at myself. Are we live? Okay. Let me close this. Set one more thing here. Okay. This says I'm offline. Oh, okay. Connection excellent. Okay, so welcome guys. This is my first stream. So if you want to know more about me, go to my Twitter. X. My Twitter is Mohammed Bayat JS. So I'm going to actually put this in the description. I'll put it after the video, the live stream ends. You'll be able to actually watch this back. So yeah. So what am I doing with this channel? So I'm gonna be learning how to code in live stream, so you can basically see from the thumbnail. Actually, we are going to build this app as made by this guy. Yeah, not just dev. So I have zero work experience. I never actually made a full development project myself. I haven't actually worked at a company before. I'm still learning how to code. And yeah, I asked dumb questions. Or smart, it depends who you are. So, and I'm 23 years old and I'm from South Africa. So, it is actually 4:30 a.m. So I'm just gonna stream for about an hour. So what I'm doing in a nutshell is I'm basically live streaming myself, coding, learning how to code, maybe doing the Odin project. The Odin project is the Odin is basically a web development course. It's a free course. I'm already doing some bit of it. I'm not sure the internet's working slow. We are dropping frames. Okay. So this is bad. Okay. I wonder. Oh no. Okay. I shall be back. Okay, I think we're back. Yeah, I just pulled my. Okay, because we were dropping frames. Okay, I'm not gonna restart the stream. Nobody's gonna see this. And we're dropping frames again. Nobody's gonna see this. Why are we dropping frames? Okay. Let me go. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not gonna restart the stream. Nobody's gonna see this besides my fiance, so actually I should wear my ring on stream. Oh no. I'll wear it on my ring finger. The ring gets stuck on my other finger. Okay. Back to where we were. Okay, so the own project. I might be doing this, the own project. I really do the own project on the side, like, but now I want to do it on stream. So I want to basically learn web development on stream or mobile development. That's the thing with me. I don't actually know exactly which to learn on stream and which to pursue. So you can see my live stream, my Twitter. We actually share this live stream on Twitter while I'm at it. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. Gonna go to my live stream. Gonna click in it. Sounds pretty normal. Okay. Where's the share button? Share. And you know what? Thumbs up that. Okay. So it's looking pretty normal. I hope the mic is connected. Let me just check with that one more time. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna post this. So what will I say? Hey guys. Hey everyone. I said that before in another tweet. I think I should use that. Hey everyone. I'm gonna sound user friendly. Hey everyone, watch my first live stream on YouTube. And I'll explain what I am doing with this. What I'm doing with YouTube. We'll explain what I'm doing. Basically, learning in public. Learning code in public. So wait, what do I say? It'll explain what I'm doing. Hey everyone, watch my first live stream on YouTube. Put the link. It'll explain what I'm doing. Code in public and building my first coding project. I'm watching a live on stream. Okay, so put that caps. Okay, hey everyone, watch my first live stream video on YouTube. Let's put an emoji. Let's put the siren emoji. Hey everyone, watch my first live stream on YouTube. I'll put the link. It'll explain what I'm doing. Basically, learning code, learning to code in public, and building my first coding project by watching a tutorial. Worship. Basically, learning to code in public. Okay, so link emoji. Yeah, okay. Everyone. Okay. Now, I should add another emoji. Hey everyone. Wave. Oh no, it's yellow. Oh no, it's white. Make it yellow. No, man. Okay, I don't. Oh, yellow stands out more. Okay, I'm losing focus. I need to. Damn straight. Okay. How do you make? One. Trying one more thing. How do I make this show like a picture at the thumbnail? Let's add some hashtags. Bold in public. Both in public. Shit, I forgot. Let's actually go to one of my other tweets. I put a lot of hashtags in those. Okay. Shove that in here. What the hell do I get a YouTube thumbnail to show? Wait. Okay. Basically, I'm also gonna be doing this. I'm just gonna be learning on stream. You're gonna be learning. You're gonna be watching. You're gonna be watching me do all these random things. It's more like documentary purposes for me as well. So it's not like I'm gonna be not interactive with chat if I ever get chat. If I get a chat or live viewer. It's just that I'm gonna be doing my own thing as well. So, like, you're gonna be seeing me doing this. You're gonna be seeing me learning how to code. You're gonna be seeing me making notes. I'm actually gonna be making notes. Stream diary. Yeah. Basically, I already streamed before. My first stream was on the 27th. Now, I'm doing that today. Project setup. YouTube price tracker app. So, I put a lot of effort in that first stream, now that I think of it. We'll keep this here for now. We're not going into that now. I'm done with this. I can't get anything more out of it. Let me just search how to show a YouTube thumbnail in a tweet. How to embed. Yeah, that's what I need.
Or X. Now, if you're on YouTube and you wanted to share a specific video and you wanted to tweet it, I'll show you how to do it. So let's open up YouTube here, and I'm just gonna navigate to I wanted to get these, and you'll see once I'm
This
in there, I'm
tutorial
on this video. Now for it will look
stream.
like, and I'm just gonna type in something random. Video to X here. Unfortunately, our video you can just download it. On here it shows whatever I type. If I tap on this tweet, you'll see that it shows the thumbnail on here. It shows whatever I typed in here. But if I hit this play button, it'll open up a new screen, basically youtube.com, to be
Yeah,
able to
for real,
play
that's
that
some weak
specific
shit.
video.
This guy
So
didn't say
you'll
anything.
see that.
Okay, I don't know. How do I go live on Twitter as well? I don't know. Okay, that's not my goal. I'll go live on Twitter another day. Okay, so basically in this video, in this live stream, we're gonna be watching this guy. In my future live streams, we're gonna be watching this guy. This guy, his name is, I don't know his name, I know his channel name, Not Just Deaf. You'll see it in the description. He makes live streams as well. He live streams him making apps. Example, he's making a meditation app. That's quite cool, actually. So about a month ago, he made a price tracker app. So this price tracker app, it is basically a price tracker app for Amazon.com or any other Amazon, where a user on iPhone, for example, and or Android copies they go into the app, they search for a product. So just say Black Friday is coming up now, so it'll be a good time for me to make this. Actually, I need to make this fast. So just say they see an Apple Watch and they want to know the price of it, the price history. So they want to know whether, just say right now it's $500. They want to know 2 weeks ago what it was. So if it was $200, so right now it's $500. So they're not gonna buy. They're gonna wait. They're gonna wait for it to drop down again to $200. So essentially, that's what a price tracker app is. It just tracks the price and it will alert the user. It is tracking the price of whatever products they search and they input. So it's up to them. So they don't have to get everything tracked. If they want, I don't know, a laptop, they want to track a laptop's price, they can track a laptop's price. I hope the stream's not laggy. If they want to, they can track any products on Amazon. Now, it is going to be a mobile app. It is going to exist on Android and on iOS. Now, I'm not going to actually be, how do I say this, teaching people how to code, because I'm learning myself how to code. So I'm not gonna be saying, certain things in low level language or high level. I'm assuming people watching this know how to code already, or they're like me. If they like me, I don't know if I'll be able to teach you just yet. So I'm not going to be explaining too much. I'm just going to be explaining what I'm doing, and you're going to see what I'm doing and learning and how I'm learning. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be watching this guy making the app just like how he does it, but I'm only going to do the project setup. So I'm only going to get about like here in this live stream. So I'm going to watch so much of this video, and then I'm going to continue like tomorrow, for example. So let's just show you before I start watching this video what other competitors there are right now. So I made notes. So let's just open this here. Gonna put it here. We're gonna go to App Store, Apple. So, price tracker. This is what I'm making on stream. So, you're gonna competitors. There's three main competitors. This is the US audience. So, I'm gonna type in price tracker or price history. It's any one of those names. So, you got Keeper. Keeper, as you can see, I put it as the first competitor. You got Big Bang Price. There are a few others. This is a price comparison. This is not what we're making. We're making a price tracker. So, and price notify. So, if you look at this app here, it's a simple mobile app. It's get notified of price drops, get price and track coupons, etc. We're not going to be doing that. But it's a simple app. 185 reviews, 4.6 stars. Keeper, 1.1 thousand reviews, 4.8 stars. It's also just a price tracker. I'll actually go to their website. Actually, yeah. And I'll show you how the website works. And this is the same. Now, Keeper is number one because they're making a lot of money in this company. I'll tell you how I'm gonna make money with this. And basically everything I'm gonna be doing on stream is like a case study. So you're gonna see me build this project and I'm gonna try and hopefully turn this into a real business. I need to talk more about that on my Twitter actually. So keep up. This is what it does. So I can search for any product. So like I said earlier, Apple Watch, but I don't think they sell Apple Watches on Amazon. So let's go with something like PlayStation 5. So it's searching for PlayStation 5. The prices of the price history. So as you can see, PlayStation 5 console slim. It is currently $499 on Amazon, whatever. These are other people selling on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. So as you can see, so how do you actually go to the product? Okay. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna go to the product. So if you look here, now, this is actually interesting. Let me just search PlayStation. The price doesn't show up immediately. I don't know if they sold out. Interesting. Okay, we'll look at the PlayStation controller. So, PlayStation 5 controller. Don't worry about that. Just ignore that. So, PlayStation 5 controller. So, this particular example, I'm assuming it's this one, yeah. Okay, so it is. It's a different one, but you get my point. This one got 42,000 reviews. Okay, so let's explain what a price tracker is. This is the website version. So normal Amazon, American version, I'm from South Africa, so it looks like they'll deliver it to South Africa. It costs $59. I add it to cart, I get it. $59. Now I go to Keeper. It's one of the competitors. Remember, I'm going to the website. They have a mobile app as well. So I go to Keeper, keeper.com. I put in, by searching, I put in what I want. So I want a PlayStation 5 controller. I want to see the price history. Now, if you look, so what this means, the buy box. The buy box is this. It's this price here you get it at. Amazon is basically if Amazon's selling it. So this is being sold like new by this company, fulfilled by Amazon. It's not being sold by Amazon. So the price used, if you can see, this is still not a good example. It doesn't really. It doesn't change in prices. So I'm trying one more time. I'm just gonna put your laptop. Amazon. Okay, this is the one. But you so far you're understanding. So this is the buy box. This is being sold, but it's where I'm moving the cursor, and there we go as well. So now I'm gonna only look not at the buy box. I'm only gonna look at what Amazon's selling it. Ignore all this. This is the price history for used ones. This is price history for warehouse deals. So this device on the 15th of October, it was actually on the 18th, it was $299. Now, $299. 18th. If you bought this laptop at $299 on the 18th, and on the 19th, you see it dropped down to $280, you'll be like, damn, why did I just spend extra $20? I could have waited. Who knows? Product could have ran out of stock, or you could have, I don't know. Who knows what? Now, a price tracker app, it's not going to predict the future, so you'll never know. But let's just say this price from today goes from $279. Remember, it's almost approaching Black Friday, so it's not gonna just go up like that. But let's just say, let's go to this example here. So it is $309. It dropped down to 302. Now you like unsure, so you don't buy it. It goes back up 39, and then on this day you like, I wonder what it was last week. You find out last week that it was 302. So you think to yourself, okay, this actually might go down in price. And you check the price history and you notice that it did go down. So you wait a few days and boom, you see it back at 302. It goes back up. So you know historically this is what happened. This is what Amazon does. And you can see it throughout even the day sometimes. And this is just one random example. Some products have the day. So that is what a price tracking software does, basically. So Okay, I'm back. The stream lagged out. Okay, so I'm gonna be making money with this. I'm gonna start speaking fast and actually get down to coding. So, I'm gonna be making money through Amazon affiliates. So, if you look at Keeper, for example, look at this Apple MacBook. Amazon selling it, so they do sell MacBooks. Amazon is selling it whatever the price is. Now I see, okay, it goes up and down in price. It went from 850 to 750. That's $100 difference. Now it went back up. Now I'm regretting it myself. I didn't buy it, or I'm happen to find out about. I happen to actually want the MacBook on the 17th. I checked that it actually went down a few days before that. I hope and I pray I add a notification so I'm notified when the price goes down, and then boom, the price goes down to $6.99. I'm going to click on the actual Amazon link for the product on my application. So I'm gonna click like this. I'm gonna click on this link. Just imagine this is my application. I click on this link. I don't know. Okay, it opens up Amazon. Opens their website. Now this particular item can't be shipped to South Africa, so ignore that. But when I add this product to cart, the stream is lagging, so I don't know what to do. I need to connect my computer with not with Wi-Fi, with something else, because the Wi-Fi is bad. I don't get good reception here. Let me just try one more thing. Okay, so looks like we're back. Okay, so when I add this product to cart, I mean, when I go onto my app, I clicked on this product, it opened up Amazon app. Or if I had a website, it opened up Amazon's website. From my app, I'm gonna actually get an affiliate commission. I'm gonna get a commission because I referred Amazon a customer who wanted to buy this MacBook. I'm gonna get a percentage. Now, if we look, Amazon, how do you, okay, Amazon affiliate. So, affiliate program. I'm gonna actually show you how much you earn as a commission. Yeah, this shit is a lagging game. Okay, so basically, this is how much I'm going to earn. Earnings. let's actually put how much do you earn with Amazon affiliates? Okay, so people are earning quite a lot of money. So most categories earn around 3 to 4% commission. I hope the stream's not lagging at this point because this is important. I actually need to go see if the stream's lagging. Like, I want to go to my channel. Because if it's not lagging, then that doesn't matter. But I can't be streaming like this. I need to fix the stream then. Okay, so seems to be working. So basically, you earn around 3 to 4% commission. You can earn up to 10% commission. Now, 10% per category. So, where is the category amounts? Departments. Amazon affiliate earnings per category. Okay, so this is how much you get as commission. So if someone searches on the app for a luxury beauty, luxury stores, beauty, whatever. So luxury beauty, whatever falls under that category. So let's just say they search for, I don't know, body lotion or something girly like that. Something my fiance would like, for example. She adds this product on the app. She finds out that, okay, this is how much it went down last week. So she says, okay, she sets a price limit. She says when it goes down to a certain amount, she wants to be notified. She eventually gets notified. When she clicks on the link to go to Amazon's website and she purchases it, I will get 10%. So if it is $50, I'll get $5. Now, imagine this on a bigger scale. You can make quite a lot of money. So you're getting much smaller amounts now for computers and stuff, 2.5%. So, but the computers are generally more expensive. So, like a $500 computer is around 2.5%. You're getting $12 times that by 50 people, $600 a month. So it's not bad. It's quite decent money, and there's only so many apps out there. So I'm gonna be watching this guy's tutorial on how to make this. Now I'm assuming everyone knows, everyone's seen how and what I'm building. It took me 40 minutes into the stream and some lagging later, but okay. So yeah, so the link to this guy's video is in the description. So let's actually get started. Yeah, so the tech stack, this is the tech stack. So now this is the, the nitty gritty stuff. React Native. So I'm gonna be learning all of this. I'm learning on stream. I don't know how to do all this. I'm gonna be learning on stream. It's gonna be taking me a very long while. I'm going to be pressing pause. I'm going to be watching, learning, taking notes. Why I know about this app is because I did an exact live stream like this 3 days ago, and then that was on a different channel. I actually scrapped it, so I spent about an hour and a half there rambling on. So I really going through the same stuff. So I know what's up to this point. So everything going forward, I don't really know much. I know a little bit into the video. So we're going to be watching the video together, and I'm going to be building it together, and I'm going to be learning in the process. So I'm going to put this, hopefully it doesn't lag. Just going to be keeping an eye. Make sure to subscribe to this guy, because he put a lot of effort into this video. Gonna be watching it like this. It's not gonna be in full screen because I'm gonna be taking notes, or I'm gonna be coding, so I'm gonna leave this side panel for thing. Interesting. So this is how it's gonna look. It doesn't look fancy, but that's something I can change over time. But the core contents and ideas are there, so that's the most important thing. No ways. 2.5 minutes in, you didn't hear a word he said. You're gonna have to watch it again.
What's up, Node.js developers?
It's my first stream, so understandable.
Welcome back to a new live tutorial. Today we are gonna build together an Amazon price tracker, which is going to be a full stack tutorial using React Native, Supabase, and Bright Data. So how did we get to this idea? Let me walk you through the process. Every time I was looking for some items on Amazon, I would go ahead and check the page a couple of times a week to see if there are any price changes. And more than often, you actually notice how the prices change for an item that you're looking for. After doing some research, I saw that this is a very common pattern, and Amazon will change the price of an item up to 8 times in a single day. So if there is these price differences, I think there is a business case that we can do and build an application that would track these prices and notify you whenever the price drops. I thought, could I be doing it in React Native, and what would it take? And in this tutorial, we're actually going to build it, and by the end of this video, you're going to have your own version of a price tracker that is going to collect data from Amazon. It's going to search and display search results with all the items that you're looking for. It's going to also allow you to track price changes for a specific item and allow you to allow you to subscribe and get notifications when that price drops. So how are we going to do? How are we going to build this application? For the tech stack, obviously, I chose React Native Expo and Expo Router for the mobile application.
It's going to be a mobile application, so we're going to be using React Native. So this is me in learning mode now. So React Native, okay. Expo, so that's like the next JS for mobile development. If you read the description, you will understand what I know and stuff.
This will allow me to build a cross-platform application for both iOS, Android, and potentially even deploy it on web as well. For the backend, I chose Supabase because it covers everything from authentication, storage, database, and API. And what I love about it is it's built on top of Postgres, and Postgres is super powerful. It's open source and allows us to do some really powerful mechanisms that we're going to cover today, such as automatic triggers and a lot more that we're going to do in a second. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. How do we get the data? How are we gonna get the data from Amazon? Because if we go ahead and search Amazon Price API, you're not gonna find anything because Amazon doesn't want you to build things like that. That leads us to obviously data scraping, because whenever we cannot access
data scraping, that's how we're gonna get our data. Source of data, okay.
The data through an API or a data collection, what we can do is we can write a script that will go ahead, open pages, send requests, get information, and take only the information that we need and store it somewhere that we can use later. This process is called data scraping. It's widely used on the internet to gain access to data. And I remember that I've been using Selenium with Python like years ago to also play and learn about data scraping. So I tried to build a script with that. I ran it and everything worked fine. I got some data, I got like the page, I could parse it with some additional tools, but after a couple of requests, I get into this. I get into CAPTCHAs, or if you're lucky, you get CAPTCHAs. If not, you actually can get banned on your IP address because sites like Amazon and all of these big players, they don't really like being scraped. So they are implementing a lot of measures against web scraping. For example, as simple as if you're sending multiple requests from the same IP, it's obvious that you are doing some scraping. So they might block you or show you a CAPTCHA to solve. So doing it in a simple way from my local machine didn't work. We need a better solution. That's when I remember that there is a solution like Bright Data. And with Bright Data, we can build these scalable scrapers and get data that we need from anywhere on the internet. Because Bright Data is the cloud-based solution for getting and unlocking any public web data that you might need. It's built on an award-winning proxy networks of over 78 million residential IP addresses, which will make sure that every request that you're sending is sent from a different IP address. That's improving your credibility and avoids being blocked by CAPTCHAs and so on. They also have tools to get around CAPTCHAs, and with a scraping browser, you get this access through the tools that you already know. For example, you can use Selenium and connect with the scraping browser, and then the scraping browser will take care of CAPTCHAs, will take care of everything for browser, handling cookies, and you, on the other hand, are going to focus on only getting the data that you need. So I was thinking maybe I should use the scraping browser, but then I saw that we have a new tool, and the tool is called Web Scraper APIs. Basically, what this tool is doing is Bright Data went ahead and created a lot of scrapers that are presented to us in form of an API. For example, we send a simple request, Bright Data will take care of scraping the data for us and giving us the data in a clean way so that we don't have to worry about making sure that our scraper is always up to date, which is the biggest challenge of building a scraper. Why? Because all of these websites are always changing the structure, so you should always keep up to date with that to update your scraper. But with this API, you don't have to worry about that, and we're gonna use the Amazon Scraper API to...
Okay, so all in all, we're going to be using Bright Data as our source of data. We're going to not have to worry about changes in data. They handle everything. We're going to pay them. Yep.
get data from there.
Okay.
In a second, we're gonna go ahead and look at this API and how it looks, but long story short, we're gonna get like all the data like price and titles and description and anything that we might need. Bright Data is the sponsor of this video, so thank you very much for sponsoring, and you can actually get $15 in free credits by signing up using our link in the description below. And if you're ready, I think we can get started and build this price tracker, because I'm super excited with what we're gonna have at the end of it.
So that's how an affiliate link is. He's also getting paid from each person that signs up using his link.
This video. So let's roll the intro
Some
and
are
let's get
getting
started.
Paid for.
All right. So sorry for being a little bit late. I'm still figuring out all my setup here in my new office. I recently moved to Barcelona. Hello, everyone who is joining us
Damn,
live. How are you
Barcelona.
doing, guys?
Yeah. So
Here
this
is a quick demo, which is a prototype of what we're gonna have. We're gonna be able to do a new search. For example, I don't know, what are we gonna buy? An air fryer, right?
Okay.
Because who doesn't like air fryer? We see that this generated a new scraper. The status is new, and in a second
Okay, so I would imagine when I make this, I'm gonna have to make it when you hit search, it actually searches for air fryer. You don't have to
going to
do
start
what he's
actually
gonna do right
scraping.
now.
While that is doing, usually takes around 10 seconds for the scraper to perform. We can look at our previous searches.
See, the script now button, I'm gonna remove all this, make it look nice. And while it's loading, I'm gonna put a loading screen. All these small things, they'll come together.
For example, here I
have to do it. That's the best part.
search for a MacBook Pro and I got like different results. I can go ahead and subscribe
So looks similar to Amazon. It's just that when you click on it, you're seeing the price history.
to price changes, and that would make sure that the scraper is run at intervals of time, for example, every single day, and it will check like this price.
So the pricing for Bright Data, for us to get all this data, like when I search MacBook, it is already going onto Amazon's website and getting all the results for MacBooks. So the 6-7 year that we got, it is getting it. So 7 records. One record cost this amount. If I'm not mistaken, this is something I worked on a few days ago. So for this year, there's 6. This is how much in dollars it costs for this. How much Bright Data charges me. So if one customer does the search, let's just say 10 times, and they use the app maybe 5 times a month, so they do 10 searches and they use that 5 times a month, it'll cost me $0.3. But we worked it out earlier. If they buy one product, if they buy this MacBook, I could be getting an affiliate commission like $20, and it costed me 0.3. Now if they use it, if they search 10 times and they search use that 5 times a month, they're not gonna buy every product they put on the price history, but in general they're gonna spend, one person, maybe 100 people have the app, one person does it, $20. 100 people, it's gonna cost me $30. So I will need at least 2-3 people to purchase to cover the cost. If from that 100, I'd say 2, depending on products, 3 maybe. And then the rest is profit. By the way, that's my cat's tail. Eva, come. Show everyone. Okay, never mind. So, yeah, that's how I'm gonna make money.
prices to make sure.
Be right back. I'm just gonna open the door for my cat so she can go eat her food. Okay, so let's watch the video.
Sure that we are going to have like the best price. For example, here we're going to see that this item has changed in price.
So this is how we implemented the price changes instead of a graph like Keeper. Okay, instead of a graph like how we looked at earlier, it's gonna be just a table or whatever this is, like a stacked list. So it was that price, then this price, then this price, then this price.
Price multiple
So
times.
this is the oldest price. This is the newest price because that's the latest one. So like you see here, it says open in Amazon. Every time a person does that, it's getting tracked an affiliate. If they buy it, they're gonna give me a percentage of that. I do have something I just thought about. How people are going to not use this, for example. How do I say? Let me write here. False. I'm gonna put this into monetization. So the pitfalls, how am I not going to make money? User doesn't click on Amazon link. So my affiliate link on my Amazon affiliate link. They're gonna do this by seeing the notification without clicking on it. They go to Amazon directly. So if someone sets the price for this iPhone, it must reach below $900. When it does reach below $900, they might not click on my link. They'll just goes direct. They even get a notification. They just go directly to Amazon. Now, how I'd counteract that is I'd make the notification not show the price. I'll say it reached a target price. It iPhone 15 Pro Max went below $900. That's the notification. So maybe they won't go to Amazon's website directly. They'll go into my app. They'll see it. Oh, it didn't below, and they'll click on open in Amazon, and then I'll still get commission. So this is one thing. I put here. So we're gonna call it pitfalls, monetization pitfalls. I don't know, whatever we're gonna call it. User doesn't click on Amazon affiliate link. They will do this by. So how we will fix this? So user sees the notification without clicking on it. They go to Amazon directly. So how will we fix this? We will make the notification less descriptive to encourage and make them click on our app first and then open in Amazon. So make the app less, make the notification less descriptive. For example, below $900. Okay, so we'll call it urgent. We'll create urgency. Sale. iPhone versus below $900. Click yeah for more info. Hurry. So make the review necessary to encourage you to make them click on that. Create a sense of urgency. Okay, so the user will feel like he has to go quickly. He has to buy this. He has to click on our link. He'll click on our link probably before he even goes to the Amazon website. So we'll fix that. So that's just something I don't know how I want to label it. I don't like the idea of pitfalls. What I think I'll do is I'll call this scenarios. Problem scenarios. So we got how to fix this. So call this problem, call this solution. Okay, so we're just gonna have problems in there, whatever ideas we
times throughout the day, and maybe later we can actually put it into a chart to see it on the graph. Now if I'm gonna go to air fryer, we see that it's scraping and everything is done here.
Okay.
On the scraping side is done through the bright data. If we go here, we can open the API, and under the API logs, I'm gonna see that here I'm running a scraper. And as I said, all the scrapes that we're doing is 10 to 30 seconds, as you can see. And after that is ready, it will automatically update our application. We are subscribing for these updates, and we show these results automatically here. And after that, you can even open it in Amazon, which
as you can see,
is the way that I think that this application might.
So in this demo, this guy doesn't have the Amazon app, so he opened it in the website. So if you open it,
might also make money, because Amazon has an affiliate program, and you can put your affiliate code on this button, and every time a user will go ahead and open from here and buy something, you're going to make money. So that's a way to monetize, and I think this application might be a really good business opportunity if you want to pursue it, and you can use this tutorial as a starting point.
Yep.
So
I'm using this tutorial as a starting point. So at 10 minutes 19 seconds, he basically said what I am doing. I'm using this as a starting point. Thank you so much. Not just Dev. For the 0 people that are watching this, I'm actually gonna follow him on Twitter. $100K on YouTube, 6,000 followers. This guy is a legend. When you're like presenting hackathon submitting, if submitting it, My cat's making noises. don't have any viewers, so I'm gonna make some tea for myself. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Don't worry, I'll be back. To nobody's here, but I will be back. I will be back. Relax, calm down. Calm down, Jamal. I am back. I'm ready for some coding. Okay, so I made myself a cup of tea. My cat is trying to get outside. She is forcing away, but she is outside. Okay, so we are live as normal. Been streaming for 1.5 hours, 0 viewers. Thank you, everybody. I was thinking of changing my name. Mo, learning. Okay. Nickname Mo. Okay, put a tick emoji. Think I ended with that. You know what? This is very important. I'm gonna put this right up here. Nickname Mo. Learn in public. Learning how to code. Yeah, you can't beat that. These two are the most important. Zero work experience. Zero work experience. 23. I don't need to show my age, do I? And then I'll just put this back. I'll put it back here. Okay. Learning how to code live on stream, nickname Mo. Learning how to code live in public. You see, they call me. Okay, so how does the stream look from that side? Okay. Learning to code live in public. Should I put my full name and take out the nickname? I'll take out the nickname. Learning to code live in public. Learning to code live in public. Let's see. Learning to code live. Gonna put small letters. That looks like love. You know what? I don't give a shit anymore. Yep. Screenshot. I wonder if my under review. Okay. So learning to code live in public. What is a YouTube looking emoji? Let's see. We totally went off track. I'm gonna watch the video in just now a little bit. Learning how to code and build SaaS/iOS apps live. Sorry, Eva. My cat's trying to get out. I got some biscuits she wants to eat, hey? Cannot eat that, Eva. It's not good for you. Let's see. Okay. Learning how to code and build live streaming. Watch me. I need to make it an action. I want people to watch me. Watch me learn and build SaaS/iOS apps on YouTube live stream. Just put your book. Self-learning. South African. 23 years old. Okay. Learning to code live in public. Learning to code live on stream. Yay. Learning to code live on stream. Ah, shit. It doesn't want to let me. I'm stunned. Bro, no one cares. Where's my phone? I'll do it from my phone. Change this one. Sorry for the bad posture. I was getting my phone. Okay. So I'm gonna go to X. I'm gonna switch it to mobile data because IP address blah blah blah. Okay, so learning to code live on stream. Learning to code live on stream. They don't let me. Okay, I'll do this another time. I need to remember what I was doing. Okay, let's watch this video again. Yep, follow the guy.
Here we have it. I believe we're gonna even make it looking better. But before we do that, we actually have to get started. So let me show you first what data we're gonna have to work with. Go ahead and follow the link in the description to create a Bright Data account. You're gonna automatically get $15 to on your account so that you can play with Web Scraper API. It's going to be enough for a lot of scrapes, because if we go to the dashboard and under API, here we're gonna find more than 240 APIs at the moment. Later, probably you're gonna see even more APIs such as Facebook API, LinkedIn, Airbnb, properties info, Amazon, ASOS, BBC News, Balenciaga, and a lot more, Best Buy, and so on. What I'm interested in is I'm gonna go into the e-commerce data, and here we're gonna see Amazon. We're gonna go to Amazon.com to scrape data from the Amazon.com, and here actually for this we can get not only from .com, from any domain, from Amazon.Germany or India and so on. And under here we're gonna find the Amazon product search collect by URL. So if we go here, we're gonna see the documentation for this API. What we need to send here is we need to send a keyword, we need to send the URL or the domain to which we want to scrape, and the number of pages that we want to scrape. And in the end, we're gonna get the data in the following format. We have ID of a product, we have a URL that you
Okay,
can
I get it.
go
I
ahead
get
and
it.
access, and you're going to see how it looks
So
like.
we're getting the data from there. We're not even
Access
there
like
yet. We'll
this.
get there some point.
So this is the Apple MacBook, this is the name,
Okay.
if it's sponsored or not, the initial price, the final price, the currency, and all the information
Okay.
like ratings, variations, badges. Like basically it's a lot of...
So you get this data. So it's going to Amazon, it's extracting everything, and it's giving you the data. It's giving you the price, it's giving you the bought past month. Damn, I don't know how they could get, but yeah.
info that you can use to improve your application and to build on top. So before we actually look into how we can interact with API, let's go ahead and download a sample by clicking here, but make sure to press JSON. And let's go ahead and download this sample. This is going to download a JSON file with some data that we're going to use in a moment to build the user interface of our application. And the next step is going to be to go ahead and initialize a new project. Let me go ahead and do projects. Not Academy, I've been working on the React Native Mastery, which is coming soon, but let's go on YouTube.
Okay, so he's making that fine.
And this is...
Okay, so I'm just gonna be making it my desktop. So open terminal. I know how to use a terminal to some extent, so I have zero experience, but I'm okay.
While we're here, let's go ahead and initialize a new Expo project. For that, I'm going to use the tool Create Expo Stack, because Create Expo Stack will allow me to create Expo Stack at latest. This tool is a simple tool that allows us to create and set up projects with some predefined templates and predefined libraries. Let's give it a name. The name is going to be Amazon Price Tracker. Let's use...
I'm just gonna call it Price Tracker because I don't know if I'm gonna be using other names, other stores into this. Should I call it Price Tracker or Price History? Price Tracker. What are the competition doing? Big Bang Price Notify. So they don't have the most simple thing ever. Okay.
TypeScript. Let's use npm or any other package manager. And here, scroll down to select Expo Router, and here scroll down to select tabs. This is going to be a template that is going to have the bottom tab navigation. And what I like here is that we can choose from multiple styling libraries. More recently, I started using Native Wind, and I'm going to select Native Wind for this project, which I'm going to talk a bit later, but in a couple of words allows you to use Tailwind classes to style React Native components. So instead of writing styles, we are writing simple names of classes, like utility classes. For example, you just write rounded, and you're gonna get like border radius and round corners for an element. It's going to be super easy to style with it, but we're gonna talk about it a bit later. Now for the authentication, I'm gonna choose Superbase, which will have some Superbase configuration. Let's choose no for EIS, no for this, and it's going to go ahead and install the dependencies of this project.
Let's go over what we've been doing. So, Expo Router. What the heck is that? I know it's Next.js for thing. So, I know it's Next.js. Okay, so I don't know what this is. I'm gonna copy the whole thing, put it there, and Expo Stack, I believe it's called. Stack, okay. I think it's this one, Create Expo Stack. I remember seeing that. Okay. Oh, so it whatever it asked us over here, it has it. So it pre-installs everything. Okay, that's pretty cool, hey? Pre-installs everything, lets you just say yes or no, configures everything. The most configurable. Okay, so that means all the options they give you. Okay. Okay, I get it. Oh, it's a stack. It's an expo stack. Okay. Like how you have text stack, different options and you know what you're gonna make, but this is just a thing. Okay. Should bookmark this, but we're gonna be coming back to this. Okay, so what type of navigation you like to use? So I believe this is Expo navigation. Let's see. Let's see the next Expo navigations. What are they? What are the different types of navigation? Navigation. Um, Let me just actually show this to my fiance. I don't know what Ava's doing, the cat. I'm just live streaming. Yep. Been live for 1 hour 45 minutes. Actually, I was making tea in that while as well. Okay, bye bye. Damn, my ring got in it as well. Let me send that to her now. I'll send it later. I don't want to wake up. So, navigating between pages. So, what is tabs navigation? Tabs. Okay. Okay. Tabs. There we go. It says tabs. And oh, okay. So tabs at the bottom stuff. Let's go to Pinterest. And we're gonna search. What are we gonna search? We're gonna search the only other apps I can think that has like price tracking in it is cryptocurrency apps. So we're gonna go with crypto apps UI price. So something like this. Imagine this is a product. So those are tabs, those bottom pieces. You know what? I can't look at crypto apps. I cannot look at that scam. So e-commerce apps UI. No offense if you guys do crypto. That's just my opinion. Can't do much with that. Okay, so what the heck? I had to make an account. Just look at a picture. That's some BS. Damn, there's a lot of content in this picture. Okay, so these bottom things are apps. I'm gonna leave this here. I'll call this app UI example. E-commerce, e-com app example. Try it, save that shit, don't want to work. Okay, let's see how many. Oh, I'd love to change this. No, I'm just checking. I need to stop being so. What do you call it? Oh, 3 people. I don't know. Oh, maybe people are watching. Maybe that's just myself that clicked on it. I clicked on it once, I think, the link. I got 4 views. I'm sure that's my 4 views. Okay. So, uh, so those are tabs. So, what is the other one? Stack. Stack. Stack Navigator is the foundational way of navigating between routes in an app. On Android, a stack the route animates on top of the current screen. On iOS, a stack route animates from the right. Oh, I think it's like a web page. You click in something and it comes in from the right. So if you go to, this is the YouTube app. Go here, the YouTube studio. Go here. You see, it comes in from the right, I think. It's just a stack, but this is tabs actually. But imagine it like here. I don't know. Okay, but that's not so important now. What else we learned? I already know what's a base native wind. Expo router. Expo router is a file-based router for React Native and web applications that allows you to manage navigation between in your app, allowing users to move seamlessly between different parts of the app's UI. So these are all the different screens. Okay. So that's how mobile apps work. They just work on screens. Interesting. So screen. It's not like it's like a page on the website. It brings the best file system routing concepts from the web to universal application, allowing your routing to work across platform. When a file is added to the app directory, the file ultimately becomes a routing navigation. Okay, so file based. Now okay, if we look at file based, what is file based? So file based means the file, not folder. So details.tsx is the details page. Okay. So you got the home. Interesting. So index is for the index is the first page. Details settings page. Okay, so it's a file based. You don't have folders, you have files. Okay. EAS. Let's see, what's that? I clicked on this before actually. Expo application services. Oh yes, this is how you host your Expo apps. If you want to pay them. If I'm not mistaken, this is like Vercel. Oh, there we go. Android app, Android Medium. Okay, just hope everything's working. Okay. All the background music is not too annoying. It's a little bit softer. So okay, so I get all of that. Okay, let's watch the video again.
Hey, Mr. Frank. This is awesome. Price tracking application, Vadim. Thank you very much for the donation. That's super nice of you. How are you doing? Long time no see. I remember you on our channel like years ago. Hello, Niwad. Hello, Kwang. Hello, Samix. Hi, Rogelio. How are you doing? React Native 2024. Hello. Alexander, hello, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Yash, Mike, Daniel, hello.
Okay.
Trev.
Hello, nobody.
So here we have our application is ready. What I'm gonna do is open it in Visual Studio Code by writing code and then the name of the folder, Amazon Price Tracker, and this will open Visual Studio Code. I recently gave Cursor a try, and to be honest, I'm pretty impressed. Like it is helping me build this application quite fast because nowadays I'm building, I don't know, 3 or 4 applications every single week and I need to move super fast. And I've been trying it, and yeah, the power of AI is really nice. But I wanted to not use it in the video in order to write everything and explain as we go, so that anyone can follow along and build this application yourself. Now that we have our application open, and before we jump into the files, let's go ahead and open a terminal and start the development server by running npm start. Open a terminal, you can do that from the top, new terminal, and here we are going to press, this is the development server of Expo and how you're going to interact with it through.
Okay, so let's get a terminal out. Terminal. Okay, so we said npm run start. Let's just go into our package JSON. Run start. Okay, start. It does expo start. Okay, so I'm gonna run that. If I'm not mistaken, you can get the mobile app. I got the mobile app Expo Go. Okay, so I'm just gonna scan the QR code. Oh no, my AirPods batteries and I'm gonna put one on charge for now. Oh no. What do I need to do? Using Expo Go. Okay. I need to reload the app. Using Expo Go, I scanned it, but I could not connect to server. Maybe I did it wrong. Let me try again. Could not connect to server. I'm also using LAN URL. Make sure there's some same network as the server. I get this error. So why is this now?
This terminal. Anytime that you need to go back to this menu, you can press C and it's gonna clear everything and bring.
I am very confused why this is not working on my app. It is an Expo Go app. I'm opening the project. It's doesn't want to work. No, Let me see if I'm the same. I'm on the 5 gigahertz one. On my phone, I'm also on the 5 gigahertz one. Let me close the Expo app. Okay, I'm gonna start it again. I see it under recently opened. I'm gonna close that and clear that actually. I'm gonna scan this again. Scanning. So it says opening project. Thing's taking much longer than it should have. That is a problem. That is a very big problem. I wonder. Are we still live? Oh, we are live. Okay. Good. It says the stream health is poor. Let me actually check. Can you hear me? Let me actually check. I hope there was audio as well. Can you hear me? Okay. So it's working. It was working. I hope there was audio as well. Okay. Okay, so this error still exists. Let me Google this. I'm here to learn how to code and fix errors, and that's what I will do. Okay, so Expo, there was a Expo Go actually. It's called Expo Go. The request timed out. It looks like you may be using a LAN URL. How the hell must I know what this is? Okay, so this might look like a fix. I don't want to disconnect the Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna see what it says. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't know why this mobile app can't work now. You know what? Let me just start another one. Start another server. npm run start. Yeah, that gets weird on Windows. The terminal. Okay, gonna scan this one more time. Let's see. Please work. It works. So simple. Okay, so there's the application so far. As you can see, it's a demo application using stack. There's a tab navigation. I don't know if I'm touching it right. So we got tab 1, tab 2. Let's actually change that quickly. So tabs. So yeah, I'll be blurry for a second. So I'm assuming index is tab 1. Yeah, because when you go into the tabs, um, the tabs, it's gonna have this all makes sense. Title. Okay, so we're gonna call this home, and we're gonna call this settings. So settings page 2. Okay, there we go. So it updates live, by the way. So tab 1. Okay, so if you look here, tab 2 is settings page. Yo, this shit doesn't wanna focus, man. And then tab 1. As you can see, the bottom of the screen. Okay, but trust me, it says settings at the bottom. Now, I'm not gonna call it settings, I'm just gonna call it tab 2. Okay, I'm almost done for the stream today. I need to find a way to put my iPhone on that thing. Show iPhone screen on Windows 11. I actually have a MacBook, but I can't connect 2 monitors because it's a MacBook Air. So the MacBook Air, I can't connect 2 monitors, so I can't actually use it, which would have been easier for iOS apps. Let's just go with Reddit, see what there is. Oh no, you need a software. Okay, so
Back from menu.
I'm gonna be watching a little bit more, and then I'm actually gonna go to sleep.
If this is the first time I'm explaining
Just gonna connect my earphones. I will have more enthusiasm in the next streams, guys, so don't worry. I'm actually just a bit tired today. So yeah.
It in a couple of words, like how to do it. If you know it, that's good. The easiest way to run this application is going to be to download the Expo application on your iOS or Android device, and then scan this QR code, and you're gonna have the application running directly on your device. If you have an iOS simulator or Android emulator, this process requires that you have either Xcode or Android Studio. In that case, you can press A or I, and it's going to run directly on your machine.
Okay.
These are two options. One is super easy, you don't need anything except from Node, and the other one will allow you to use the simulator. And as we can see, after our application is running, that's our starting point. We have two tabs, tab 1 and tab 2, and these screens live in the app directory. The app directory is the specific directory from Expo Router, and Expo Router, being a file-based navigation system, will look into this directory, and for all the files and folders, it will create and set up screens. For example, in our tabs directory, we have the index screen, which is the tab 1. And if I say here,
how do I have a simulator for Windows? What happens if I click W? Open web.
Allah wanted you to see this video. I'm not some big shot YouTube.
Bro. That is literally crazy how that came out. So I guess this is the app. It's not the exact same though. What happens if I click A? Because I remember A was Android. npm run start. I'm gonna try and click A. Yes. So there we go. Tab 2 and home. I hope I can open up something. Oh, that's a model. Damn, this is cool. Android, open. Come on. I typed A, bro. Okay. So for now, we'll just leave it on this web server. Where do I actually want to show this? Yeah, I have to react, learn, and code at the same time. He has on his screen just an iPhone where he's coding. No, he has his VS Code and then he has an iPhone. I have to do all these things. Okay. I think that's zoomed out enough.
I don't know, search. We're gonna see at the top search. And the 2, which is our tab 2. And we can go ahead, and if we change title to, I don't know, price alerts, it's going to change at the top price alerts and at the bottom also price alerts. Perfect. So that's where we're gonna work most of the time. And as we go, I'm gonna explain some more features of Expo Router.
Okay, so which one's updating title? This is title because this is just taking the title from the stack screen. I mean, this is the title for this. Okay, that's good. Okay.
When we need like additional screens. Hey Shoaib, how are you doing? For now, what I want to do is I want to bring in the dummy data that we downloaded from Bright Data from API. I'm gonna go.
Okay, so this is where I stopped the stream because as we could see, stream diary. What is today's date? The 1st of November. Hopefully my next stream is tomorrow. Hopefully it's at least 2 hours long. I'm gonna sign up with Bright Data. I'm gonna get to 1 hour of this tutorial, so about till hopefully. Maybe I'll be able to implement super-based authentication. I'll learn about it. I can't wait. I wish I could do it now, but I have to sleep. It's actually 6:44 a.m. in South Africa. So what I did project setup. It was so basic, but you know, I did introduced myself. Said what I'm doing on stream, etc. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna end it here, guys. Whoever's watching this, if my fiance is watching this, I love you. If my parents are watching this, I love you. If my brother's watching this, I love you. If everyone's watching this, I love you. If my fiance is watching this, Pokemon. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. I'm probably gonna do the stream again tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm excited about this because I think we can do a few hours tomorrow. Hopefully, like 3 hours maybe, and I'll be able to get till maybe. I'm hoping to get till 1.5 hours. So I'll put there 1.5. At least okay. We're talking about at minimums. Okay. Yeah. So be sure to check my Twitter out. Under review for the verification checkmark. That's why I can't edit this, but this will change. This is my Twitter. Please, guys, do this poll. Yeah, I've just been posting randomly. I'm trying to get some kind of audience. I need to put my face to this. I need to add my website. So for that, we're gonna do the channel. We're gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna go here. Copy the link. There we go. We're live at the moment. Momento. Okay. Okay, so okay. Everything is looking good. I would do want to stream on Twitter as well, but we'll get there. Yeah, guys, please vote. I want to know what time I should stream. In case anyone's wondering, what time is it here? Yeah, this is I do not stay there. I don't know what that is. 0.645. It's basically 7 a.m. What time is it here in South Africa? 647. Yeah. Greensboro. No, I don't know where that is. That is not accurate. Yeah. Goodbye, everyone. This was a good stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, inshallah, as Khabib says. Goodbye, guys. I mean, no one's watching. That's the best part. Goodbye, everyone who's gonna watch this.